Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I received a package to do a review on it. Let's go. So we can see the package is well packed. Everything is okay. Even if we are in the air of everything, being Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you will still need a connection. And here is the rybozen USB switch selector with the remote control. Let's look inside exactly to see what exactly we have. Let's open it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, here in the front you can see the picture. In the back they tell you what exactly the switch selector do, the USB. And let's open it. Yeah. Okay, so what exactly we have? The switch selector, and voila. After that you have the remote control, all the cable you need. So you have a thank you card to tell you thanks to buying the product, and the user manual. Product do, you have your 4 input, so you can connect a printer, a mouse, and on the other side you can connect 4 computer or 4 laptop if you want. And you have your switch here with the remote control. So when it's time to use, like, I don't know, like the computer 2, so you can switch to computer 2. So like that, if your box it's about, I don't know, a few feet more in front of you, you can use the remote control. So let me show you how easy it is, and this is plug and play. I'm going to use my laptop, put it switch 2. I'm going to put the power, et voila. And what I'm going to use, my mouse. Now I just need a pad to the only thing you need to do is let the driver to be installed inside your computer, and after that, et voila, the mouse is working. So this guy is on select 2 because I put it on the computer 2, output 2, and my mouse is 2. So if I choose to put it on computer 4, I select 4, you can see the light, and my mouse is working. So now you can install 4 computer or 4 laptop. This is your choice, and you can install a printer, a USB mouse. For the remote control, you already have a battery inside. The only thing you need to do, you have like a small plastic, just pull up and voila. So the remote control is already working. The battery inside, let me show you. It's going to be those small battery, flat, and the model of the battery is a CR2025 3 volt. I'm going to put it back. On the remote control you have those 4 number. If you need to choose 2, you just need to press, and this guy is going to go to 2 or 3 or 1. This is your choice. So don't forget always to fix the remote control with the eye here. This item here, just USB 3.0, is compatible with the 2.0. Don't worry for the laptop and the window. This is an old Toshiba, and the window here is Windows 7. So this is compatible with my Windows 7. So And for everybody, if you want to buy this item here, don't worry, I'm going to leave a link down there. I hope you like this video about this item here, that USB 3.0 switch connector. If you love it, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment, and see you in another one.